Alright, number 14 says this table shows the temperatures in some cities recorded on a day. The cities are New York, Melbourne, Santorini, Vancouver. Temperatures are negative 18.6, 28.5, 60.4, negative 22.7. Here's some questions we have to determine whether they're true or false. Okay? So it says New York has a higher temperature than Vancouver because negative 18.6 is greater than negative 22.7. Is that correct? One thing you can do is just make a number line and then graph these points. You don't have to be exact, but you can like put them in order. So we know, let's say this is 0. Okay, New York would be negative 18, so let's call it over here somewhere. Negative 18.6, that's New York, right? Vancouver is going to be over here somewhere. So this is negative 22.7. I'll call it Van. Oops. So the next one would be, we have Melbourne. Or sorry, the next one's 16.4. And that would be Santorini. So let's call it San. And the last point is going to be 28.5, right? That's the biggest number. And that's going to be Melbourne. So now it's going to be even easier. New York has a higher temperature than Vancouver because negative 18.6 is greater than negative 22.7. So is negative 18.6 greater than negative 22.7? It sure is, right? Because it's on the right. All numbers to the right are bigger. So New York is bigger. So we're going to say, yes, that is true. Okay, second question. Melbourne's temperature is further from 0 than Santorini's temperature. Well, Melbourne's over here. Santorini's is right here. So which one's further from 0? That would be Melbourne, right? It's further from 0. You have to go 28.5. So I'm going to say true. The last one. Santorini has a lower temperature than Vancouver because 16.4 is closer to 0 than negative 22.7. So Santorini has a lower temperature than Vancouver, which is way over here? No, that's incorrect. So that's going to be false. All right, that is number 14. It's really easy if you draw yourself a table. If not, just knowing the numbers will help you. All right, last question. All right, and the last question is 15. A pitcher is a fourth, 1/4 full of juice. A serving of juice is 1/20th of the pitcher. And the number of servings of juice that are in the pitcher. So they only have 1/4 of the pitcher left. Alright, so imagine this pitcher right here is a quarter full. A quarter is like a fourth. So draw a line like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like this full, right? And a serving is 1/20th of the pitcher. Which is like down here somewhere. If I split this in 20. So we have to figure out how many servings are there of the pitcher left. So all we have to do is go 1/4 divided by 1/20th. All right, and everyone knows that when we're dividing fractions, we're going to keep, change, flip, right? So let's keep our first fraction. Bring it down here. I'm going to change this one to multiplication. And I'm going to flip this fraction. So this one is going to go on top. Oh, I made it big. And one's going to go on the bottom. Multiply across, and what do you get? You get 20 over 4. So 20, now we actually have to simplify further. So 20 divided by 4, it's in and out. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And that is our final answer.